It's time for the annual Winnebago Compact Coach, Mods, Maintenance, and Merriment Meetup in Amana, Iowa. This amazing meetup was coordinated by Kathleen Hansen and Tim Dunkel, with lots of help from wonderful volunteers. This meetup was part of the Winnebago On the Road tour, in which the president of Winnebago, Chris West, brought his amazing team and participated in this wonderful event. I was fortunate to lead a Winnebago Women's Circle to discuss praises and pain points in our RVs and meet them with solutions and making more camping friends. This event also had great speakers on topics such as Chris from Freedom and Go, who talked about electrical and RVs, as well as Russ Garfin, who shared his boondocking tips from his trip on the East Coast. We also had James from the Fit RV give a great presentation on maintenance basics. All right, I just got a shower, but it's time to be a part of all the mods. And I'm a modulator, which means I get to connect people who need mods to people who can do mods. And this is part of the fun. So let's go check it out. Okay, so this is the rally building we're using to do a lot of the mods. We're doing it in the field too, but people are bringing in their rigs so we can work on them. We're gonna do some insulation here, and then outside, people are bringing in their vans, their Echoes, and we're doing some stuff here. So how cool is that? That's why it's called Mods, Maintenance, and Merriment. Show me the insulation.
There you go.
Look at
We're
this.
just stuffing all the empty holes.
Okay, so Noelle is helping to spray paint under points. What are we doing? Where are these?
So we are highlighting the jack points or the lift points. So when you go to a shop, you can indicate to the person who's going to work on your vehicle, hey, I know where these are and I've highlighted them in yellow, so it's easy for you to find. That way they don't screw it up and lift something they're not supposed to.
Fantastic.
Yep.
I didn't think I would get any time to work on my Echo, but I was fortunate to have Russ and Noelle assist on one of my biggest pain points, which are my windows. We changed to thumb screws, and boy does it make a difference on how it opens and closes.
Right.
Okay, so how do we do this? Show me.
Okay, so when you unlatch the window and you push it out, it's good to hold it in the middle, and then you tighten this side, keep holding, tighten this side, and voila. No clicky, no clacky. And when you want to close it, this is the best part. Wait for it, it closes! Voila!
It's magic.
It's magic.
It's raffle time. Who's gonna win? All right, it's dinner time, and everyone's getting their food, so come take a look at this. This is delicious. And by the way, Renee did a great job. Don't forget Renee. Here, Renee, she was awesome. She was great. Okay, this has been so much fun at Amana, Iowa, at the Mods, Maintenance, and Merriment event. It's really, really cool. Lots of really cool Travados, lots of really cool Echoes. We had some views. Had some really, really cool things happening here on the Winnebago Compact Coach Meetup. So if you have a Winnebago and you're interested in attending one of these, all you gotta do is go to their website and check out and their owner Go Life events. This would be on the events tab. So really, really fun. So until next time, safe travels and happy tails. Thanks for watching. Do me a favor, hit that like and subscribe and that bell to get notified when other really cool videos come out. I put out videos each week and love to share my adventures, tips, and product reviews. If you're interested in RV life and van life, you're in the right place.